Let's make dinner. Tonight we're going to have a Japanese-style salmon and radish soup. And I'm going to show you exactly how to prepare this. First, the ingredients. You're just going to need some water for your soup. And the soup's actually going to be flavored with a pack of dashi powder, some salt, and Japanese cooking sake. For the ingredients, it is a very simple soup that is just made out of Japanese daikon radish as well as salmon. So let's get started. So I've prepped all of my ingredients off camera, but we want to just slice and quarter our daikon radish and cut up our salmon into chunks. And I've just added a teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of cooking sake just to sort of get rid of the super strong fishy smell. And in my pot, I have 1.5 liters of just regular water. So you want to start by adding a pack of this Japanese dashi powder, and it's basically just like fish stock. So on the pack, it does say that you need to use 4 grams of this powder for every 600 mils of water. So since I have 1.5 liters of water, that's 1,500 ml, I'm going to use the entire pack, which is 10 grams. And into this pot, I'm just going to give it a quick stir, but into this pot, we're going to just basically add our fish and our radish. So I'm just added my fish. So now that we have our fish and radish in our pot, we're just going to season it with about a teaspoon of salt. And I'm just going to put this on my stove and bring it to a boil. So I'm just waiting for my soup to boil, and once it's boiled, I'm going to be adding 45 tablespoons of my cooking sake just to give it that extra depth of flavor. And I'll be back to show you the final product. So my soup is simmering now, and I'm just going to let it boil a little longer to allow the radish pieces to cook through before I serve it. Once everything's cooked through, you're gonna end up with a really nice and clear soup, and I hope you enjoy!